Curious? Go in depth with CSU experts on the conversation. First, a conversation starter.
Graywater is the water collected in a household from fixtures like your laundry machine, hand wash sinks, bathtubs, showers. We're working on a lot of research to better characterize microbial quality in graywater and other water sources. A homeowner can install a graywater system themselves. You can connect to your washing machine, and the washing machine creates enough pressure when it discharges that you can have that go out into your yard into mulch bed systems. As cities are thinking through this, these kinds of systems are likely to become much more prevalent and at much larger scales as we prepare for new futures.
There's more to learn from CSU and a world of experts at theconversation.com.